Hi, I'm Chuck,
I'm Barbara.
and we are
Mill Camp Adventures.
We're going to be specializing in military campgrounds with our new YouTube channel and point out the good and the bad
And the ugly.
and the cost savings that you might get along the way by using these. It's something that if you use it, you get to keep it. If you don't use it, it might go away. So we need to start using all the advantages of being retired or military, active duty, DOD civilians can all use these. So let's get out and make this happen.
And we're new to YouTube, so if we don't do a great job, just give us time. We'll learn. We have a huge learning curve. Our I was going to say our age is probably a detriment, but you know, we've learned from our grandchildren and our children, so hopefully they've taught us enough that we can start this channel and do a good job.
We're also going to be boondocking along the way. Our trip this year is to Alaska. We're going to drive not only through Canada, but all through Alaska, all the way to the very top, get our feet into the Arctic Ocean.
And we'll share our adventures along the way. So far, we're in North Dakota. We've made a couple videos. We'll post those after we post this one because we're from South Carolina, so we've come a long ways already. We're just a little slow on the video thing.
Our adventures are in a 2022 Integra Accolade 37K Super C. Hopefully everything will hold up along the way, but repairs have always have to be made. These things just don't stay together on their own.
You just take life as it comes and you keep on rolling and you fix things on the fly.
That's right.
Yeah.
So please like, subscribe, ring that notification bell.
And we hope you enjoy our videos, and we'll try to be funnier.
And leave comments, but please don't be hate. Just constructive comments would be nice, or any other information you'd like to know about us. And we'll get back with you.
All right. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you, and see you on the road.